Hi there everybody, Newland here. There seems to be some confusion about how to work with very small and very large numbers when using Desmos and UT Quest, so I thought I would do an example from the homework where we had to find the energy of a photon that is in the microwave range. And there are several things we need to point out from the beginning. So the energy of a photon increases as its wavelength decreases, which we know H equals H times, E equals H times frequency, which also equals H times C over lambda, and I got that from C equals lambda times F, which means C over lambda equals F, so I could replace F with that. So either one of these allow you to find the energy of a photon, remembering that Planck's constant is 6.63, well, it's written up there, I guess I'm going to rewrite it. 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34th joules seconds. But the problem is, in the end, they want us to convert to EVs. So we have to be careful working with that. And they gave us the wavelength for this one in centimeters. So we have to convert from centimeters into meters. And we have to convert at the end from joules to electron volts. 1 electron volt is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th joules. Okay, so let's switch over here to Desmos. And I put in Planck's constant on line 1. Let's make it where you can see this. I put in the speed of light on block 2. I put in my wavelength. Well, that one, this is a different problem. So 9.8 centimeters. 9.8 centimeters instead of 4. 9.8, and you'll see that I divided it by 100 because if you want to go from meters to centimeters, you divide by 100. So that's a straightforward way to do that. So then I calculated it with the Hc over lambda equation, remembering to convert joules to electron volts by dividing by 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th, and I got this number. Okay, now hold on, we're going to come back to that. Then I went ahead and found the frequency first, because some people were asking me about that, and I multiplied H by F and then again divided by the number of electron volts in a joule, and again I got the same number. So you'll see that E1 and E2 are the same value. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers after the decimal. So that's 1.26845 times 10 to the negative 5th. Or you can copy this whole thing and put it in there. Another mistake I've seen people making today is they're trying to put in units. So if I were going to enter my answer for number 24, where you find the energy of a microwave photon, if I want to enter that into Quest, I could either copy and paste this entire thing, don't leave out any decimals, or if you wanted to use scientific notation, you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.26845. Go that far out. Times 10 to the negative 5th. So if you're having to convert your values, the rounding is going to cause you to miss. So don't do it. Don't round. If you can, copy and paste the entire value. But if you're going to put scientific notation, I recommend putting, if I were going to convert this into text, to type, I would put 1.268,495. There. E negative 5. And that would be the right answer in scientific notation. So that's going to work for 24, 25, 26. And more generally, if we had questions on tests like this, luckily they're multiple choice, and as long as you had viable units on a short answer, I would accept it. But Quest is not as friendly. You have to be very specific. So I hope that's going to help.